All right, enough talking. Let's go ahead and actually crunch some numbers so that way you can understand what's really going on here in k-means clustering. First off, you can see you can actually download this Excel file if you want to from the course website and follow along. We have two sheets here, offer information. You can see here various offers, and we've got different dimensions of each offer that we have measured. You can take a look at those, scan over those so you understand what they are. Obviously, we are selling wine. And then we have a history of transactions. We have each customer's last name and the offer number that they took. You can see some people took more than one offer. And if they took more than one offer, they got more than one row. So they got one row for each offer. Now, what we're going to do here to get the data in a format that we can crunch these numbers properly is make a pivot table. And for that, we go to Data, Pivot Table, and select the range. And it's actually automatically selected the range. There's transactions A1 through B325. We press OK. And for the column labels, we want to use the customer's last name. And for the row labels, we're going to use the offer number. And then for the values, we are going to do a count of offer number. Select count here, click OK. And now you can see what we've ended up here with is a separate tab. It's just automatically named it sheet 1. And each customer has a column now with a 1 marking that they actually took that offer. So we can see Alan here took offer 9. And Adams here took offer 18, etc. And if that cell is blank, that means that they did not take that offer. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to do a Command-Shift arrow key, and that would be Control-Shift arrow key if you're on a Windows. Command-Shift down, 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 down to select all of the data. I'm going to Shift up, Shift left. So that way I've just got this sort of matrix of ones and blank cells selected. I'm going to copy C. I'm going to make a new tab, and I'm going to paste that information, just the values, paste special values off here to the right. And I'm going to go back to offer information, and I'm going to Command-Shift arrow key to select all of that information back over to sheet 2, paste, and notice that I've left 3 columns here, H, I, and J, empty. We are going to tell k-means clustering that we want 3 columns. So I'm going to call this cluster 1, cluster 2, and cluster 3. Rather, I should have said that we are going to tell k-means clustering that we want 3 clusters, which here our 3 clusters are represented by 3 columns. So that's how we get our data set up to start k-means clustering.